Welcome to the ultimate guide for resetting your phone. This is the Cloud Mobile. This is the Stratus C8. And in today's video, we're going to be covering a regular reset, how to reset your phone if you've forgotten your PIN pattern or password, how to remote reset your phone. And if you watch to the end, I'll give you a free worksheet to help you remember your PIN pattern or password, or never forget your PIN pattern or password. And before we do all that, let's get the bad news out of the way. If you're trying to reset your phone and you get this screen, and you don't remember your Google account, you can't use your phone. There is no bypass. The 100% zero, there is no way to bypass this. So the best thing you can do is make yourself a cup of chamomile tea and try to remember your PIN, pattern, or password, or your Google account information. All right, with the bad news out of the way, let's get into it. All right, to do a regular factory reset, all we have to power the phone off, and then on the C8, as soon as it's off, we're going to hold its volume up and power at the same time. I like to push volume up first and then power. Keep holding. It's just a few seconds, and we're waiting for this tiny menu right here. And follow the on-screen instructions right there. You can use the volume up keys to select, and we want the recovery mode. And it's volume down for OK, not power. So press that. And then at just a few moments, it's going to bring up the Fallen Android No Command. At the Fallen Android No Command, now we're going to hold power and then quick touch volume up. Hold power, quick touch volume up. Brings us to the Android recovery menu. At the Android recovery menu, you're going to choose Wipe Data Factory Reset. This will erase everything, all your apps, all your pictures, everything. So you're going to press power for OK, and it asks you to confirm, and it tells you right there, wipe all user data. This cannot be undone. And then one more time, volume, and then power for OK, and then it takes a few minutes. Oh, right there. We can reboot the system now, and now it takes a few minutes to get back to the welcome screen so you can reset up your phone. All right, that's the regular reset. Let's move on to how to reset if you forget your PIN, pattern, or password. All right, so now we're on our Cloud Mobile C8, and we go to log in, and we've forgotten our PIN, pattern, or password. It won't let us in, wrong PIN. So to do that, we still have to power the phone off to bypass this. So let's power the phone off. Simply press power, and it's going to shut it down. Remember, it's going to erase everything, so it's worthwhile to pour yourself a cup of chamomile tea and try to write down old pins, patterns, or passwords, see if you can remember before you absolutely erase your phone. But now it's going to be the same combo. It's volume up, power, hold, and it gets us to this menu again. Everything's the same as a regular reset, and we're going to scroll. Volume up is to select, the volume down is OK, choosing the recovery mode. And then we're going to get to the Android recovery, or the Fallen Android No Command. And at the Fallen Android No Command, it's the same. Hold down power, quick touch volume up, and we are at the Android recovery menu, and you can do the exact same thing. Wipe data, factory reset, remembering that when you do this, it erases everything, and you still need your Google or whatever email you've logged in and the password therein. All right, so let's reboot the system now, and let's move on to remote factory resetting. The times that you need to remote factory reset is you've lost your phone, it's been stolen, or your buttons have stopped working, and you're getting ready to turn your phone in, and you want to wipe your phone before you trade it in or recycle it. So let's go over to the computer, and I'll show you how to do it. All right, you need to log into myaccount.google.com. Type that in, and we'll go to your Google account, not mine. And when you get there, you have this section right here called Devices. So you can click that. Devices, and it's going to tell you, yeah, I'm in my computer, and here we go. So it's find your phone. In this instance, you have the Cloud Mobile Stratus C8. I'll show you in this instance. I'm going to click here, and then it gives you a sign out, find device, or don't recognize something. So you can explore these other options, but let's go to find device, and it's going to bring up a map, and it's going to bring up it's on my router. And then here we go. You can factory reset the device remotely. So if you hit that, then, all right, when you push remote factory reset on your computer, that's the message that'll come up. But again, it's going to be your phone. And you have a couple other options here that you can secure your device, you can play a sound, all those things. All right, so that covers it if you need to remote factory reset your device. I'll give you a bonus tip on where to possibly find a lost Google login or password. So you're going to open your browser, I happen to be in Chrome, and you're going to click the three dots by your little icon there. And then you're going to go all the way to Settings and click Settings. I'm going to click Settings here. Now this menu pops up for you on the left of your screen, and you want to hit Autofill. When you hit Autofill, this is going to come up, and you just click on Password Manager. I'm not going to click on mine, but you click on your Password Manager, and the possibility exists, if you've ever let it store your passwords automatically, you might get lucky and have your Google login and password stored. And finally, I've got a free worksheet for you. It is called the Phone Information Record Confidential Access Document. It's just some fun things to play with. But the most important part of this, after you fill it out, is to store this sheet of paper securely. So whether you're helping grandma and grandpa, you're helping your kids, you're helping your parents to not ever forget their PIN pattern or password, I'll show you where to do it. But here, this is when you fill it out. So you're choosing a new lock on your screen, whether it's any of those, PIN pattern or password. And, you set it. Let's say, for example, we're going to set 1234, 1234, confirm, and then immediately you fill out the phone information record. Your name, grandma and grandpa's, your kid's name, today's date, your phone information. Obviously, this one is the Cloud Mobile Stratus C8. We have the black one. And then you want to come here and you want to fill out if you use your Google or your Gmail information, your Google information here, your Google password here. And then you fill out your PIN. So you write 1234 or 1234, however you want it, or your special password, or your pattern, you write S for start, F for finish, and then however you do your pattern. And then the most important thing, again, you store this sheet of paper somewhere securely where you can reference it in the event that you forget your PIN, pattern, or password. All right, this has been the ultimate reset video for the Cloud Mobile Stratus C8. Hey, if this has helped you, please subscribe, and go to the link in the description on Gumroad and just type in well, let's just go there right now. Here we are at Gumroad. This link will be in the description, jasonclemens.gumroad.com/ all of that. And then this is the document this is what you'll see. Never forget your PIN, pattern, or password. And then when you go over here, just type in 0. You can have it for free. Or if I've really helped you, you can pay your $2.99. And then this gives you the description of what to do and why it's so important. And there it is. And you can just go to the store here at Gumroad, download the document for free, and then have a little bit more peace of mind. Again, please please subscribe. Thank you very much for watching. Have a great day.